Always hustling? Learn 6 steps that will make meal preparation easier for you. Making the best use of your time, while still cooking delicious meals, is a life skill we must all learn. So here's a list of 6 things to keep in mind while ensuring your meal prep is faster, cheaper and efficient. Plan your meals ahead of time. This might not seem significant enough, but prepping and deciding what to make for the week can actually save you time, money and effort. Get your groceries in bulk. Instead of making a mental grocery list every day, jot down all the key ingredients you usually find yourself buying and go shopping once a month, so you don't have to worry about your pantry staples running out. Label food items and ingredients. Labeling is a great way to remember the quantity and shelf life of ingredients. You can also invest in good quality airtight boxes, jars and organizers that keep at bay the hassle of hunting for ingredients in the kitchen cupboard. Save time chopping and get pre-cut veggies from a reliable brand. Instead of spending hours chopping your vegetables and fruits to perfection, use food processors and hand choppers to make the process more efficient. Marinate, half cook and store. Marinations and slow cooking can be time-consuming, and on evenings where you are just too tired or hangry, the process can get incredibly flustering. So instead of keeping everything for the last minute, marinate your meat with spices, label, and store them in your freezer. Be spontaneous and resourceful. Following a recipe to the T can sometimes be too overwhelming. Instead, play around with the ingredients you have and try to come up with easy-to-make customized recipes tailored to your taste. This technique will surely save you lots of time and money that you can spend on a fancy dinner or shopping spree the next time you feel like splurging. Thank you for watching.